Welcome inside a watch factory where precision and craftsmanship create beautiful timepieces. Every watch starts with dozens of tiny components that must work together perfectly. Watchmakers carefully inspect every tiny part before assembly. Advanced machines produce gears that control the movement of time. Skilled craftsmen assemble the watch movement piece by piece. These delicate parts allow the watch to measure time accurately. The movement is the heart of the watch. Strong metal cases are created to protect the delicate mechanism. Each case is polished to give the watch its premium appearance.
Every case is carefully checked to ensure perfect quality. This one has a slight flaw on the edge. Agreed. Let's set it aside.
The dial is added to display the time clearly. Tiny hands are installed to mark hours, minutes, and seconds. Scratch-resistant glass protects the watch face. The watch now begins to tick with precise timing. Stylish straps are added for comfort and design.
Initiating the test. The rate is +2 seconds.
Confirmed, well within tolerance. Each watch passes through strict quality checks.
Starting the microscopic dial inspection now.
Verifying gear tolerances. So far, so good. Many watches are tested for water resistance. Finished watches are cleaned to perfection. Each timepiece is carefully packaged. Each timepiece is carefully packaged. Each timepiece is carefully packaged. The watches are prepared for customers around the world. Thousands of watches are stored before shipping. Logistics teams prepare shipments for global delivery. From the factory, these watches begin their journey across the world.